Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali Haider, and today I will present a lecture on data engineering. That will be the lecture number two. My name is Muhammad Ali Haider. Let's start. The technical skills of data engineering requires the learning of SQL, data modeling, infrastructure as a code, and data architecture. What is data architecture? Data integration. It needs data integration, data storage, data security, data flow and pipeline designs, and data quality and reliability. As far as sample data architecture is required, then we have to see data sources, external APIs, application database, CSV from STFP, and intermediate storage bucket, reverse ETL from here, data warehousing, raw tables from traceability, data mart for normal consumption. Modern data stack, it based on cloud, that's cloud based, and it's consumption based pricing like AWS, ETL based, open source based, and component based. Uh, good good data architecture has following qualities. It choose common components wisely, plan for failure, architect for scalability, architect for leadership, always be architecting, build loosely coupled systems, make reversible decisions, prioritize security, and embrace FinOps. In the next lecture, I will be sharing more thing related to data engineering. Thank you very much for your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.